Welcome back to CNC Training BD. Today I will show how to make this part for the beginner. Okay, see, look is beautiful. So let's try to make this part. Okay, first of all we see 2D drawing. Okay, it's 2D drawing. See, it's bigger bearing 120 millimeter and equally 3 bearing and inner bearing outer diameter 80 millimeter and arc radius 150 millimeter. Okay, let's try to make this part. Okay, first of all I sense first of all I choose front plane and take offset. Okay, choose bigger circle. Okay, outer diameter 420 millimeter, 420 millimeter, and must is make construction geometry. Okay, now it's construction. After choose center line, make sure it vertical. It's okay. Now I select bearing. uh, okay, okay, smaller and bigger bearing and must be its make relation coincident. Okay, make relation coincident. Okay, let's dimension outer bearing diameter 120 millimeter. Okay, and inner diameter 80 millimeter. Okay, now if you want you can make three bearing and must be one bearing to another bearing distance 120 degree, but I cannot this process. I make pattern. Okay, first of all I choose outer and inner diameter and then choose pattern. See, linear sketch pattern. So I choose circular sketch pattern because this is circular pattern. First of all I choose 1 2. Okay, and it show 4 bearing, but I need 3 bearing. Type 3. Okay, okay, see, this is 3 bearing here. Okay, now I make 3-point arc first bearing to another bearing and must be its make transient relation. Okay, let's try to make this 3-point arc. Okay, select 3-point arc and click outer bearing to another outer bearing. Okay. Okay. And then let's give the relationship. Choose arc control outer bearing and must be transient relation. Okay, now it's transient. And another one, click arc control outer diameter make relation. Okay, make relation transient. Okay, now it's transient relation. And then cut the another portion because no need to another line. So first our trim entities. I choose power trim. Okay, power trim, and then drag unexpected line. Okay, and okay, and give the dimension arc uh, arc radius 150 millimeter. Okay, 150 millimeter radius. Okay, oh, see 150 millimeter radius. Oh, need middle bearing, no problem. uh, Press outer bearing control outer diameter make relation transient, and another one transient. Okay, now it is transient. And see, make this same arc 1 and 2 another portion. If you want, you can make this arc same procedure, but I want no need. I can make same procedure. Okay, 1 2. Okay, control bearing make relation transient. Okay, it's transient relation. Arc control outer diameter make relation transient. Okay, now it is transient, and uh, make another one transient. Transient. Okay, this is transient. uh, no need to another portion, that's why I cut trim. Click the mouse left button and drag at the same. Okay, okay, see, but our duration is not fully defined. Let's make fully defined. Arc 150 millimeter, but another arc not equal, but I need to equal. So Press Ctrl key and left mouse key. 1, 2 and 3. Make relation equal. See, equal. Okay, now our define is fully defined because uh, every single point and line is totally black color. That means it's fully defined. See, extreme bottom corner fully defined. Our design is fully defined, but one portion I have mistake, forget this uh, inner bearing, so let's make inner one. Okay, at the same center circle, start from origin. Okay, and let's dimension 80 millimeter. Okay, our define is completely fully defined. See, okay, this is our design. So if you want, you can make 3D, but now I don't show 3D process because I uh, learn step by step. This is video for beginner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, share. Thank you.